beans have been washed and rinsed under cold water. If you do have time and you want to start this the day before, you can always soak the beans in water overnight and just let them sit. That skips the boiling part and the beans definitely cook a lot more faster. So filled up the pot with water, not too much, and put the heat on high. Now I'm just gonna let it sit here and boil for a good about 15 minutes. I put my onions, carrots, and the meat that I'm using is beef sausage. I don't have any smoked meat right now, so that's all I will be using. And now I'm going to add over the cooked, washed beans. What I'm going to do is add about 4 to 5 cups of water. Really, the water ratio is kind of off sometimes. It really depends on what size pot you use, how many beans. And turn the heat on to high. With that, you can always adjust the heat as your water boils. And I'm gonna go ahead and set it on top. I will close it. Make sure to keep it on medium and not high too, until you get this kind of weird gooey looking mixture. There we are. And so there's no bumps and it's pretty smooth. I'm going to go ahead and continue mixing or stirring. To low, and I'm going to go ahead and add the paprika. beans now if they're ready. It's been about an hour and a half that they've been boiling, and I'm pretty confident that they are ready. Go ahead and mix it, get one bean just to check it. All right, if I can grab one, okay. And I'm gonna smush it. Ooh. And it's cooked. So, I'm gonna lower the heat to low. Now, time to add the spices. I'm gonna go ahead and add in the roux that I made. I will keep the beans on medium and slowly add in the roux. Then we go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of Vegeta, which would be 4 of these. That is a lot, but I don't like to add salt or anything to it, just because the Vegeta is perfect for it. And a little bit of pepper. I'm gonna let it simmer for about 30 minutes uncovered. Go ahead and taste it, only to check that it's, you know, salty enough or just really even has any taste. So that's what I'm gonna do. And of course, if it doesn't, I can always add more seasonings or spices. And it's perfect just the way it is. I'm not gonna add any more seasonings to it. I like the flavor. It's just as salty as we want it to be, so I'm just gonna let it simmer for another 15 minutes and it'll be all done. Go ahead and really generously mix it from the sides to kind of bring the seasonings in. That way it's not all pushed to the side. There we are. So another 10 minutes and it's all done.